Looks like they pay $7 an hour in India, $14 an hour in Europe. So basically it's between 28 and 108 a day. What's happening, everyone? This is Greg Kononenko, the Caffeinated blogger, and in this video we're going to be talking about how you can make between $28 and $108 a day working from home. If you like making money from home, if you like videos about making money online, then give me a quick like on this video and also make sure to subscribe to my channel. I regularly put out videos covering various ways of making money online, working from home, blogging, and getting traffic to your niche websites. When you click the subscription button, make sure to also click the bell notification icon to get notifications as soon as I upload my new videos. Lastly, check out the links in the description below. I've got links to free guides that will help you make money as well as build your own niche website. Thanks for tuning into the channel, and now let's get into the details. The company that we're going to be talking about today is one of the best work from home jobs that you can imagine. It's a company called Appen. You may have heard of it, you might not have heard of it, but in this video I'm going to show you how much money you can make. I've done a lot of research. I'm actually going to show you how you can apply and what sort of jobs are available on Appen. So firstly, their website is appen.com, so appen.com. And the kind of jobs that are available on Appen are everything that you can do from home. So if you're looking for a job or for work that you can do from home, then you definitely should consider Appen. They are 100% legitimate and they offer a very broad variety of jobs. Now, first of all, what I want to show you is the kind of salary or the kind of money that people are making on Appen. And for that, you can do your own research, but I've done that research for you. One of the most common types of jobs on Appen that you can work from home is a search engine evaluator. And the kind of salaries that you can make for that the people who are already doing these jobs are reporting on Quora, I think are reasonably good. So as you can see, it's $7 per hour for people in India, in the Philippines, Indonesia, Thailand, Japan, Egypt, and so on. And approximately $13.5 to $14.5 per hour for Americans, Canadians, English and Europeans, etc. I mean, look, in Australia, if you think about it, our minimum salary, if you work in a restaurant or something like that, is actually lower than 13 or 14 American dollars per hour. So this money is actually quite good, and my understanding is that for some people who are located in other countries like India and the Philippines, $7 an hour is actually reasonably good. Okay, now let's talk about what search engine evaluators actually do. So what you would do is, if you're accepted by Appen to be a search engine evaluator, then you would basically validate search engine results. So for example, you might be given a page, maybe from Google or from another search engine, and it might look like this. It could be a result for best baby strollers or something like that. And you might be given a page of results, and you will need to go in and check whether you think that this result is accurate and relevant or not. Okay, each of these results. So that's the kind of work. It's very simple. There are no special skills required, and you can do this kind of work from home in your own time. There is no set hours. You don't need to go to the office or anything like that. Okay, so that's the good thing about it. And now I want to show you what kind of jobs are actually available at Appen. I know that a lot of the followers of my channel, a lot of people who watch my videos are located in India, for example. So let's just, out of interest, let's check what kind of jobs are available in India. Okay, so you can go into appen.com and then just click this search jobs, and then you will be able to look for the jobs. So I'm going to go and select India. Okay, you can see that there are 6 jobs that are currently available in India. Social media evaluator, web search evaluator, which we just talked about. Social media evaluator would be very, very similar to search evaluator. You would just do it on social media. And as you can see, the description of this work is Qualifications: currently living or permanently permitted to work in India, access to a computer with a sound card and speakers, access to secure high-speed internet connection, basic level of computer operational knowledge, good English writing skills. That's all that's required, guys. I mean, that's, you know, it's really, really good that you don't have to have too many qualifications or you know, any crazy experience to be a search engine evaluator and be able to work from home. Now, out of interest, let's just look at another country. I know that a lot of you guys are located in the United States. Okay, so let's just look at United States. There are a few different locations that you can choose for United States. I think I've chosen them all. All right, so as you can see, for United States, there are actually 40 jobs that are available. So there are a few more than in India. Okay, and once again, you can go through, and a lot of these, for example, search social media evaluator, that would be the type of work that you can work from home. It's one of the jobs that you can work from home. Okay, there are more social media evaluators. There are actually lots of social media evaluator jobs that are available for those who live in the US. And guys, I've done a lot of searching, kind of getting ready for this video. Basically for Australia, the same thing. You know, if you look at Australia and you choose the Australian locations, there are lots of jobs here, actually 113 that are available for those who are based in Australia. So pretty much no matter which country in the world you are, you know, I've checked Philippines and so on. I won't bore you with the details now, but there are lots and lots of jobs that you can do from home that pay really well. Now, another thing that I want to show you is, some of you may have heard of a company called Leapforce. So Appen has actually just acquired Leapforce. Leapforce was another similar agency that used to offer work from home opportunities and offer, you know, others to be search engine evaluators, etc., etc. So Leapforce was actually accredited, or is accredited, by Better Business Bureau. Okay, so they've been accredited since 2011, so for 7 years now. They have a BBB rating, so it's a trustworthy company. And, you know, you can have certainty that this is a legitimate company. It's not a company that will rip you off or anything like that. Both Leapforce and Appen, and now that they've actually merged, Appen is probably the leading company in the world for work from home jobs. They offer some of the best opportunities, and their pay is really, really good for people located in various parts of the world. So as you can see, you know, this is definitely worth actually going through and applying if you're looking for work from home types of opportunities. So how do you actually apply and get accepted into Appen? So you would need to, from their homepage, you would need to click on this button called Find Flexible Jobs. That will open up the job search. Then you will need to go and choose your job location, so whichever country in the world you are. And like I said, there are tons of jobs available in pretty much any country in the world. And let's just say that you are located in United States, or let's go with United Kingdom. We haven't looked at United Kingdom yet. Okay, so there are 7 jobs available in the United Kingdom, and probably the simplest and easiest one would be web search evaluator. So you would do that, then read the requirements and click apply, and you will be then asked to create an account at Appen, and you know, you can then fill out all of your information and apply to be a part of the Appen team. Now, another question that I always get asked with these kind of videos is, how much money can I actually make? So let's just talk about this, okay? So as we know, based on this Quora post, it's between $7 and $14.50 per hour. So let's just write that down. Okay, so $7 to $14.50 per hour. Now, I have also done research on various places, and basically the kind of work that you are able to get ranges. You know, it's somewhere between 4 to 8 hours a day that you may be able to get if you're successful for one of these positions with Appen. So it's between 4 hours to 8 hours per day. And you know, if we calculate how much that might actually translate, so if you do 7 times 4, so that's kind of the worst case scenario. You know, if you're located in a country that pays a little bit less and you do only 4 hours, you can still make something like close to, well, it's 28, but let's just round it to $30 per day. And If you're located in one of the countries that's got a higher cost of living and pays a little bit more, so 14.50 per hour, and you do end up making something like 8 hours in a day, then you're looking at, call it 15 times 8, so that's basically approximately 120 USD per day that you got potential of making. So whichever one it is, anywhere from $30 to $120 a day. I mean, I think this is excellent for a simple kind of an opportunity, for a legitimate opportunity for you to work from home. So I'm hoping that you guys found this useful. I think that this is an excellent company to keep in mind and apply for. This is something that you can easily do and requires no special skills, and it's actually kind of interesting, I think. That's it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, then click the like button just below this video and click the subscribe icon on the screen to make sure that you get notified about my future videos. Also, hit the bell notification icon to make sure that you get notification into your inbox as soon as I upload my next video. On this channel, I cover ways to make money online, ways to make money from home, blogging, and getting traffic to your niche websites. So let's stay connected. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching once again. This is Greg Kononenko, the Caffeinated blogger. I'll see you guys around.